Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to another OKX account with zero fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your OKX application. Once you are on the home screen, you need to click on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Click on the withdraw button here again and click on the withdraw crypto button again. And in the search bar, search for USDT here and select USDT Tether. Here you can see three options. So to transfer your funds from OKX to another OKX account, you need to click on the OKX recipients here. And after that, you can select any of these details from the upper sides, phone number, email address or UID. So simply click on the UID. Then after that, you need to enter the another OKX account UID here. And after that, you need to select the withdrawal amount that you want to withdraw from OKX account and to deposit it to your another OKX account. After filling all the withdrawal amounts, then you need to click on the submit button, and after that it will take up to 2 to 3 minutes to transfer your OKX account to another OKX account. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from your OKX to another OKX account with zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.